Alrighty, got a little snow here in Virginia Beach last night. I think we got about 10.5 inches. The news said that since they started keeping track of measurements in like 1890 until now, this is the 8th largest storm we've had at one time. So yeah, not too bad. Got about 10.5, 11 inches, somewhere in there. So I got Sweaty Betty pulled onto my side yard here and the diesel so that we could get my daughter's car into the driveway. So I'm gonna do a cold start on Sweaty and a cold start on the 300 and have a little fun in the snow. So let's see what we got. I haven't really done too many videos on Sweaty Betty. It's my main plow day tractor, at least up to this point anyway. It's a 1950 John Deere MT, and it was kind of Frankenstein together by me a few years ago out of 3 different tractors. I think I had another video I kind of talked about that in, but if you're a new subscriber or forgot, I guess you get to hear the story again. So yeah, the main basic tractor was its own thing. This left whole rear final drive I got from Richard Brown back when he was still in business. The main bull gear in there was broken, so I had to get a new, ended up just getting a whole new final drive from him instead of just a gear. I wish he was still around selling parts as New Paris tractor parts. Awesome people to deal with when they were around, so it was a shame to see that company go. But anyway, yeah, so the main tractor was its own thing. The left rear final drive was from a tractor he had there. And then John Tolley, another guy I know, good local friend here, I got a tractor from him and I used a narrow front from that tractor for this one. So we'll see how she does in the snow. I keep my battery in the garage on a tender for this one. Let's see, battery's hooked up, exhaust is uncovered, fuel's on. I'll come back over here. I'm gonna open up my side gate here so I can back this one out. Let's see. Hopefully I can swing this open enough. There we go. All right. This is a true cold start. I'm not too sure what the temperature is. It was 21 or 26 last night or something, depending on where you look. But all right, battery, fuel, exhaust, neutral, ignition, choke. That's the truck. And now for the 300, same thing. I keep this one on a battery tender, but outside. So far, seems to do all right. The new fuel injection pump has been working wonders, but I'm going to assume that with these cold temperatures, it's going to need a little starting assistance, or as, what is it, Tony? R&W Farms, the Cosby spray. I think she's going to need a little bit of the Cosby spray today because it's cold. Alright, let's see what we got here. Little snow juice. Ugh, see how she does. Smokes a lot when she's cold, but when she's warmed up, not too bad. Alright, let's see. Got a little throttle. Oh, I guess it would help if I actually hook the battery up too, right? Alright, let's see what we got. Very nice, very nice. right, my daughter headed in. She's cold. My son, he's ready for round 2. He wants some more. So this thing does pretty good in the snow, considering it's 2-wheel drive. The tires are not loaded in the back, and it doesn't have much tread. So we'll make a few more rounds here. Drifting action and well, that was fun. So yeah, they're both soaking wet from getting drugged down the street through the slush. So yeah, I'm really surprised how well that thing did. You know, being 2-wheel drive and not loaded in the back, and it really doesn't have like good tread. So yeah, fun day playing in the snow. So we'll get it put back away, and maybe I'll take Sweaty Buddy out for a little bit just to put around. Well, I think that's enough snow day fun for today. The kids got to get out of the house for a little bit, and got these 2 girls out and exercised some. So yeah, fun day. We don't get snow here too often, so when we do, we try to take advantage of it and have a little fun. So anyway, it kind of stinks having 2 skid steers and neither one of them working, so that I can actually play around with them and move some snow. I had to do the old manual shovel action this morning. So that's all right. Anyway, nothing too exciting in this video, just a little fun in the snow. So hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope you have a safe rest of the week and a good weekend. The case skid steer was supposed to be coming back to my house this weekend. That's not going to happen just due to the weather. The storage lot that I keep my trailer at probably hasn't been plowed. I don't have many plows around here, so I'm sure it's stuck until the snow melts, which will probably be in a few days anyway. So anyway, I'm rambling. Have a good weekend.